you, mate? You could probably partner with friends and family and whatnot, but how can you sort of come back to do another project with us?
Simple, easy to get along with, and you answer phone calls. You usually get back to me, and very easy to get along with. Around this area is getting popular, a very nice restaurant next door, bar.
Really, our business model is based on, partnering with people like yourself that are, buying properties to do them up and flip them. And obviously, we're looking for more guys like yourself, that are constantly looking for the opportunity.